Alright guys, 2016 Subaru Impreza, 3 keys. Let's check it out. AC. Paddle shift. Let's check it out. 4 Michelin tires. That's nice. No, backup camera, heated seats, Bluetooth. All-wheel drive. Alright. I drove it for a couple of days before it gets cleaned up. The drive is nice, very smooth. Just passed safety inspection. Suspension feels good, brakes are good, tires are very good. Makes it drive even better with Michelin's on them. Radio off, source, aux iPod. Okay. Push it. Go, push it. If you all have any questions about it, visit our website. It's atxautoplanet.com. You all can text, call, or email us. Bye now.